Okay, so this is how you make a list whenever you're doing a list to help a new beauty consultant to order. You get on Mary Kay in Touch. You want to go to this new Mary Kay in Touch, mkmarykayintouch.com. Go to ordering and click there. So you click on ordering, and then you're going to go to, you're going to do this, and you're going to put in there whatever you want in the order. So I know one particular beauty consultant, she had wanted some particular products. So I use the one-page ordering sheet. That's easier for me just because I know what stuff I'm looking for. And I'm going to the skincare section, and I'm just like only opening, I just know which one she wanted. She wanted a repair, the Repair Ultimate Voluform set, and she wanted 2 of those. So you just type it in. Okay, you can see that. And she wanted like a couple of extra deep wrinkle fillers. So I'm going to put a couple of those in there. You know, some just extras. Now this set does come with deep wrinkle filler. So anyway, so that's there. Now, you can, for a new consultant, this particular consultant wanted to have 600 in wholesale orders. So she needs to add some more to make this bottom number 600, but this is what's in the list to start. And so then all you do is you go to shopping bag now. And then once it's there, you're in the shopping bag spot, you do create new list, and this comes up. And so I'm just going to type in a name. I'm just going to say new consult order. I'm just going to make that up and then just delete this little number thing here. And so that's the name of the list that you made. So it's a list of what you want to order. Save and edit the list, and then it says the list was successfully created. It says it was created. Now it's in here. It has, this is the list of what you just made. It just made that list for you. Now, it's here. You can say share list, and oops, it did this thing here, share list. It kind of jumped up like that. I think that you're supposed to just barely touch the share list function. Okay, well, maybe I can share this because I'm a sales director, that I can share this list, but maybe, you know, as beauty consultants, y'all may not be able to share the list. I'm not really sure. So what we're going to do in that case is I'm just going to say copy the list. Sorry, we're going to copy the list. And this now says the new list order. It says that. And then it's here. And then I believe I'm going to say save the list. And now I've got it. New consultant order. I saved it. Now I'm coming over here to this list function, and I'm touching it right there. And then I'm touching list. And then it's going to bring up list. Okay, and look, I did it twice on accident. So it saved it twice. So here, then what we do now, see how I messed it up, but that's okay. Now you're going to copy the list to the clipboard. You touch it, and it says the list ID is copied in the clipboard. Now what you want to do is you can either text message that or email it to someone. So I'm just going to get on here and find my email. And then I'm just going to make an email to a consultant, to Marcia, okay? And then I am going to just touch that, and then it's going to paste that list number in there. And I'm just going to say here, new consult list for the order, okay? And then I'm going to send that to her, okay? And then she should be able to open up her email, and then she should be able to just grab that that ID number, and then she would be able to go into her section, ordering, and then she should be able to go to list, and then import new list, and then she should be able to touch that, and then copy and paste that ID. She should just be able to paste that right there. And it did it. Look, it did it. And then it would import the list, and then it should show up. It says importing a copy, so it's doing that. So it's importing a new list, which I think it just did right here. I think that's what that just did. So then, oops, okay, that was my bad. Okay, imported list, there we go. Now, what she could do is then add stuff to the list that she wanted to put in there. And then, you know, the things she wants. And she could then save the list. It says it was saved. So here's the list. And then she could, because this is for a new consultant that she wants to help, then she could, you know, edit and send that list to her friend who's a beauty consultant. Her friend beauty consultant can then do the same process here. And then that beauty consultant says, I want to order that. So then she would just go here to add to bag and touch it. And then that's going to add it to her bag. That's going to add it to her cart right here. So then she's going to touch that, and then that's going to bring up her cart and her shopping bag, and all of that stuff is in her shopping bag. So that's how that works.